Friends often ask me what type of tofu they should buy and how to make them tasty. So I'm going to make a series of videos on how to make each type of tofu. The first video will be about the firm tofu, which has the least amount of water and being the most nutritious one. Firm tofu can stay in their shape the best, so it's often used for stir fry or pan fry. Slice the firm tofu, then marinate it with some salt, white pepper, rice wine, and let it to sit for a while. Marinating will not only make the tofu taste better, but also hold their shape even better. Then prepare some vegetables that you like, and I'm using shiitake mushroom, carrot, and some bamboo shoots. For safety, you can even put the tofu into the pan before you turn on the heat. And then remove the tofu when both sides are sealed to golden. And now we can saute all the vegetables. Here you can be creative, so you can add any kind of vegetable or even meat if you like. Now it's time to lower the temperature and add in some water. And finally, it's time for flavoring. You can use my recipe here, or you can create your own. The tofu is tasty, meaty, crispy yet tender. You can eat as it is, or you can eat over the rice or stir fry with some noodle. Okay, now it's time for a more challenging dish. First, to prepare some vegetables and dice them to the same size. Then cut the tofu to thick slices and sprinkle with some salt. Beat one egg if you like it more crispy. Then mix the potato starch and the flour. Then use the mix to cover the tofu. Then dip the tofu in the egg mix and put into the oil when it's still cold. Fry the tofu on medium heat until it's golden. When you see some air bubble on top, then it's ready. Now you can saute all the vegetable or even meat if you like. You can use fresh vegetable or you can use frozen. The main ingredient for the taste is the sriracha hot chili sauce. I'm using the fancy version, which you can see the real chili and garlic in it. Turn the heat a little bit low at this point. Add some hot water, soy sauce, and sugar. Then you are all done. The next video will be the soft tofu. Subscribe my channel if you like.